Alright, so we have Nature Valley Crispy Creamy Wafer Bars Strawberry, made with oat butter.
I just literally seen these like 2 days ago.
Dang. What the heck was all over the box? Got on my stove. Something was all over the box, got on my stove. Now I gotta clean my stove again. I'm really excited for these. I hope they're good. 'Cause I like their peanut butter ones. Do you want a whole one or do you want a split one? What do you want to do?
Split it.
Like, do you want half or what?
Depends on if it's good.
Oh! Forget it. Oh my god, I can smell it. Oh! It smells amazing. If it tastes as good as it smells, oh man. We're in for a treat. I'm gonna get a knife, so don't mess with that. I'll try to split it in half.
Peekaboo.
Down.
Made a special appearance.
No.
Didn't see part of your cabinet.
My what?
Part of your cabinet.
There's your half if you like it. If not, just take a bite. Girlfriend? That's good. That has really good strawberry flavor. I like that. You like that?
Yeah, I'm so full. I'm forcing myself to eat it. I've been full. Since I jobbed and stuff. I'm just overstuffing at this point. It's not large.
I can't taste the oat butter. It just tastes like a strawberry and like a cream or something. That's what it tastes like to me. 14 grams of whole grains. That has to be somewhat healthy, right? So if you want to try these, go check your local Sam's Club. Thanks for watching. Bye.